Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my always helpful sidekicks. There's Wyatt. Zena's making a move. Do you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. Yep. You excited about today's unboxing? I've got a twofer for you, 2 boxes. I got a double Boxy Charm, not one, but two for you today. And this one feels incredibly heavy for the size of the box. This one a little bit lighter. And these are both my September boxes. I have the Boxy Premium, which I believe is this one, and the Boxy Luxe, which I'm pretty sure is this one because it is heavy, as I said. All right, if you are new to Boxy Charm, they have 3 different boxes. They have their base box, which is $25 a month. The items that come in are usually worth about $175 or more. And there's Boxy Premium, which you can get every single month for $35. And it comes with 6 to 7 full-size beauty products, usually is valued at $235 or more. The Boxy base comes with about 5 items. And then the Boxy Luxe is quarterly, and it's worth about $395. We're going to find out here in just a minute because this is my very first one ever. And you get 8 to 9 products every 3 months. You get to choose up to 2 of those items yourself, and they're beauty and lifestyle products. And it's $49.99. 3 different boxes. Okay, super excited. My September boxes, let's do this. So let's do the premium box first and see what I got. You do fill out a profile so that you get items that are more aligned with your preferences and skin tone. Here's what I see. Premium, so I picked the right one. This is the premium box. You can see it says right there inside the box. And this says Glam Vibes Only, Boxy Charm. And you get a list of all of the items that are inside your box. And you'll also get this number down here, I think represents what collection that you've got. All right, so I have 6 items in here, and let's go through them. All right, so first up, what is this? So this is Milk Makeup valued at $25. And this is a Champagne Pearl Hued Cream Highlighter Stick that glides on for a natural glow. So I think that's the color right there. And I wonder if I can get this open to show you what it looks like here quickly. Okay, there it is. Can you see that? I like that. You can see that little bit of champagne-y color coming through there. That looks nice. Yeah, I like that. Here's what it looks like. So I think that's nice. It says highlighter and emulator. Highlighter and illuminator. All right, that's the first item. Next up, and I told you that was a $25 value. Yes, okay. So next up, we have the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment by Emma Hardy. And this is a nice size. And this says that it's Brilliance Facial Oil, hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into skin, and you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active. So it's crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin. And it's valued at $55. So I love trying new facial oils and moisturizing products for the skin because I have dry skin. I need to put, every time I wash it, I have to immediately put cream on my face. So this will be great to try. You know, essential oils for soothe and purify the skin. And it has camelina oil, offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage as well. So it'll be nice to try. I'll probably still use a moisturizer as well. Okay, next, ice roller for your skin, overworked sensitive skin. Kitsch Cleanse Ritual. All right, let's see what this looks like. So check that out. Do you guys use one of these? Ooh, it is cold. Ooh, it is actually very cold. Very cold on your skin. It feels good though. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily for use for best results. It's worth $18. The MSRP is $18. Have you guys tried one of these? I have not. And what's the recommended time that you're supposed to do this? Do you guys know? Is there like a recommended time you should be doing this on your face? I would love to know. And also if it like relieves headaches and tension too, which is my headache spot. It does feel good. All right, so I could just get lost in doing that for a while. It does feel really good. Okay, and did I say this was valued at 18? There's more. Next up, this is by Stila. And this is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Looks like it's in brown. And this is valued at $22. So yeah, there it is. Nice. I do like brown eyeliner. I have to be careful with some brands of eye makeup in general because my eyes are super sensitive. So we'll have to see about this one. And next we have Old Henriksen Transform Plus Fat Glow Facial. Can you guys hear Zena breathing? She's doing like heavy breathing over there in the corner. She's too funny. All right, and this one is worth $50. And it is Get Flawless Skin in a Flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredients in Ol's first one-step at-home facial. What makes it so special? They're fat, literally like AHAs, PHAs, deliver skin perfecting, age fighting results. But PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. All right, so this would be a fun little facial to try. PHAs and Nordic Birch sap. So yeah, if you guys have tried this, let me know. I have not, so I'm interested in trying that. I have one last item in here. It looks like a palette, the Queen Eloise. A queen lies in all of us, Eloise. And this is valued at $46. Oh, check out this palette. These are some colors. What do you think of that? Those are pretty colors. Lots of bright, bright colors in this one. All right, and that's everything in my premium box. What do you guys think? So definitely worth the $35 in my opinion. So many good items. So I love a palette. I'm good with palettes, so I love a palette. This was awesome. So between the palette, I really did like this champagne highlighter. So this is, I'm gonna have some fun with this. I have to be careful with the eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna try it and see what happens. I'll know pretty quickly if I can wear it or not. I'm interested in trying the facial oil with my moisturizer and see how that works. And what else? Oh, the ice roller. All right, I'm already in love with this. This should be fun to try. If you guys know how many minutes a day I'm supposed to be using that, someone let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to be Googling that and finding out. So I think that was well worth it. 6 items. I think that my value here was well over, let's see. Yeah, it was over $200. Not bad. Okay, but we still have another box to do, so let's do it. So this one is the Luxe, and you only get it quarterly. All right, it's so heavy. All right, so this one has a much bigger card in it. I love this. Glam Vibes Only again, and look how big this card is. And here's what I see. So many goodies. All right, so right off the bat, I have something from Fenty Beauty, Kilowatt Foil. And this is worth $36. Just when you thought Kilowatt couldn't get better, Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighters enter the gnome with some creamy texture of the original in a mega reflective foil-like finish with intense metallic edge. These buildable color-rich luminizers come in rule-defying shades that look equally killer on all skin tones. So I have not tried any Fenty Beauty products to date, so this will be a new one for me. And here's what it looks like. Oh, check those colors out. So that is, yeah, really bright. That's not what I was expecting. I'm going to have makeup everywhere. So there's what they look like. The yellow and the purple. Fun. Not at all what I was expecting. I have not tried those before, so this will be fun to try. And they're called Mimosa Sunrise is the orange, and Sangria Sunset is the pink. Fun. All right. Next. Oh, I think I got another palette. This is Zion Hip Dot. This is valued at $30. Oh, these colors are pretty. These are pretty fall colors. What do you think of these? I like this pink right here. I like this pale purple. This shade is so pretty up here. This is pretty. I like even the neutrals here. That's a nice palette. Yeah. I like that one. Okay, so that is the Zion eyeshadow palette. It says, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah Canyon. Takes your look to the next level with the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of the Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. And I said $30. All right. There's so much more. What's next? So this is by Pure. The Complexion Authority. This is a signature travel essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. All right, and it's in a very nice little leather case here, and it is worth $48. Ooh, check those out. How nice is that? This is so nice. Yeah, there's 12 of them. These are awesome. I needed some new brushes, so this is perfect timing. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's great. Okay. Love it. What else have we got? Yeah, that was $48 value. Okay, next we have Tomato Serum. That's interesting. By Biro. Tomato Serum is a powerful treatment that contains gentle exfoliating tomato extract, brightening vitamin C, and collagen boosting peptide. And it's supposed to transform your skin to be more brighter, more youthful version of itself. What do you guys think of that? I have not tried that either. And the value of this one is $150. So that makes the whole box, right? $150, although I'm really happy about this. This pretty much is takes care of the value for me alone. So I'm way past my value here for the $49.99 price tag. This is great. If in fact it makes if it works, right? If it lives up to what it says. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, Ahava Dead Seawater Mineral Hand Cream. I love Ahava products. If you guys tried these, I love them. I'm using one on my desk right now with the constant washing of my hands. I then put hand cream on, wash my hands, put hand cream on. So this is awesome that I have a new one to put on my desk to keep going. So I love this. And this one is worth $38. Mineral Hand Cream Sea Kissed. So I do love these products. Next, I have another 111 Skin product. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And this is worth $135, and it is a 5-pack. The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. So you put the mask on, probably wait, what, 20 minutes I'm guessing? Yep. All right, be fun to try that. Has anyone tried it? I'm curious. This will be fun. All right, and I have 2 more. What is this? This is by Persona, and it is lip gloss. $16 value, and it is the Season 1 lip gloss. So it looks like a neutral. All right, I'm using a tiny little screen here. Hopefully I got it on well. From what I can tell, it looks nice. What do you guys think? Nice neutral going into fall. Great for your purse. Yeah, I think it looks nice. It is $16, as I said. All right, and one last item to share with you all. This looks heavy. This is what weighed down my box. This is called by Gravity, and it is the weighted sleep mask with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. Has anyone used one of these? I have not, although when I have headaches, sometimes I will get a bag of, I think it's filled with rice, and I heat it up and put it on my head. So check that out. It is so soft. So let me see. This weighted sleep mask uses the same science behind the gravity weighted blanket to give you the face perfect pressure stimulation. It also blocks out light and feels amazing thanks to a combination of gray micro plush and imitation cashmere. So this is valued at $40. So if you really need some sleep, also this would be a great mask for that. I'm wondering if you could heat it up because sometimes I really need that for when I have a migraine. But this is awesome. And that's all my pieces. What did you guys think? Man, this one's got to be valued at quite a bit here. It's about $450. It was valued at $450, all this fun stuff. What did you guys think? Do you think the quarterly box is worth it? The Boxy Luxe? All right, so that was both my Boxy Premium and my Boxy Luxe. I have so many goodies. I feel like I need to go give myself a facial, use the mask, redo my makeup. I could be busy for quite some time now. I had lots of fun. I'll put all the information for BoxyCharm down below in case you want to give any of these boxes a try. There's so many between the Boxy Base, Boxy Premium, and Boxy Luxe. All right, guys, thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was so much fun. Please hit that like. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. It really does help my channel and helps me continue to bring you new content. Until next time, bye, everybody.